on maintenance of the vehicle. Here I am changing the exhaust. The original one was removed and I will put a separate video on that. Here if you see the exhaust is Flipkart one. It is SC project long stem. However, the sound is so bad. In fact, I had fit the dB killer inside this. You are able to see the dB killer. Unfortunately, this portion is hitting the. See here, it is hitting. So here the original exhaust was removed and I have put a separate bracket. This is bought from Flipkart. This is a Jugaad type of bracket I have fitted, which I have fitted here with this, some washers and nut. Then this is a bend pipe which I bought from Moglix online. I will show separately the parts in the full video, the link. This is the mid pipe. This is for I don't know for which bike it is, whether it is Benelli or any other make. So this is the bend pipe. This clamp I took it from the original what they call the original stock exhaust, and this is a 2500 rupees Flipkart muffler. However, this being a big dia one, it was not very much attractive. The sound is too loud. I had to put a dB killer. So in spite of that, it is too loud and it is giving a very rough noise. So recently I bought an AKRAPOVIC new exhaust through Flipkart. This is a very good one. This has got a, if you want we can fit a dB killer here, and I'm just going to try this and fit it out. So let us see how the video goes by. So once I start removing all these things, I'll just fit it and I will recapture the video here. So this is the spacer I will be fitting it here, so that the distance between here and here is adjusted for this AKRAPOVIC, because this is a long one, this is a short one. There is a difference. If you see here, there is a difference in the sizes, a slight difference in the sizes. So mounting in this area with this, it's going to be quite difficult. So I will be using a spacer. This is a pipe fitting clamp for heavy hoses, made of brass and steel, stainless steel. So this, once it is going to the bend pipe, it should help us out in maintaining this distance, and it will not hinder the exhaust flow. Also, it will be like more very refined sound. Instead of a dB killer, I am just going to use this. So I have started removing this bolt. So once I remove this, these are some of the jugaads. As an engineering person, I do it. This has got some split washers. You would see split washer and regular washer, so that being a 400cc bike, the vibrations it will have during the high speed. Because being a twin cylinder engine, the vibrations will be more, and the split washer will lock between the regular washer. So this washer is a steel washer. This is a lock washer. This is lock spring. So that will go inside this stud. So once I remove the stud, so I need to remove the exhaust. it like this. To see the work being done. I'll have to remove both the springs. So I'm just trying to fit this. In fact, I'll show you inside. This is the jugaad plate I had fitted here after removing the original exhaust. This is an extension. Since this will vibrate, I had put a separate bracket here. So this bracket, this will be like a triangle which, so that one support is here, one support is here, one support is here. So the muffler will not have vibrations. So now I am going to fit it. How I am going to fit it, please have a look at it. So now I am going to put this here. So once I put it here, there is a vibration. So I'm not sure. I'm going to put it here. So once I put it here, the holes can be tied up. So this hole can be fitted here and here. So this will give a so raise it to this one. So it is strong. So I have to make it and adjust it. Put it here. Put the exhaust here. And yes, this is the hole. So I'm just taking a slight bit here. So I put it here. So this is down, and not easy. So down. The same setup. I'm just going to put a separate lock. Now I have to fit the lock here. It's a quite difficult process. Now I have to fit the lock here. It's a quite difficult process. This is a quite difficult process. I have to fit the nut here with that clamp. So I'm putting a video on this mount also from there. What is that I do? So I put some clamps for washers. The distance piece in between. So I'm putting one more distance piece in between. Two distance pieces. So you can see that it is a through hole. So it is coming now well. So one more distance piece I have to put. Now I have to put this inside this. putting a fresh bolt here. Hold it here. AKRAPOVIC installation is perfect, pretty steady, no vibrations, nothing, and the job is completed.